Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I'm going to make a cute little card using the Animal Outing stamp set. So mine is a carryover stamp set, so mine says clear mount, but now it comes in the cling mount, which means it will come on the red rubber, just like this, except now the stickers, you'll be able to stick on the back and actually see where you're stamping. It's much better and great, but this is such a cute stamp set. I'm going to be using the Kangaroo, and I'm going to be using the Sentiment. Together we make a great pair, so let me show you. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to do our Kangaroo. So I just have a scrap piece of Whisper White cardstock here. And sometimes when you're going to be using the Stampin' Blends like we are, it's better to put a scrap piece of paper down. So I'm going to just stick a scrap piece down. This is just grid paper. And I have my Kangaroo here on the block. Let me get him a little bit straighter, although it doesn't matter. And since I'm using my blends, I want to use the Memento ink. So we're going to ink him up really well. Get them all nice and inked up. And I'm just going to stamp him. Let's see. Let me turn this upside down. I'm going to stamp him right here. Perfect. Close that up for a second. Grab my chamois. Clean that off. And he's all ready to be put away. All right. So what I want to do is I want to color in my Kangaroo guy right now while I've got him. So I'm going to be using my Stampin' Blends, and I have some, well, I guess mostly neutral color. So what I'm going to do is I want to color him in, let's see, what do I have here? I have the dark soft suede and the light soft suede. That's what I'm going to be using for my Kangaroo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dark. Actually, that's the light. Actually, I'm going to start with the, no, I'm going to take the dark. And I'm just going to color in kind of where these, actually I want to switch to the more blendable side. I'm just going to go kind of where the black is showing. And go ahead and color this in a little bit. Let's see. Down here by his tail. I think, let's see, he's got a little bit on his feet. All right, a little bit here on the paw. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the light soft suede, and I'm going to just now color in the rest. So I'm just going to color in his tail, and I can kind of blend it out a little bit over the top of where, not his belly though, let's leave the belly. Okay. So go around, and you know, you can make your Kangaroo any color you want. You could make a purple Kangaroo. I wasn't completely sure. I thought Kangaroos were brown, that I knew, but I wasn't totally sure what color their tummies were and all that. And as I did a little bit of research, it turns out a Kangaroo can basically be any color, or some of them have dark, some have light. It really doesn't matter. Oops. I colored outside the line, but that's okay because we're going to be cutting this guy out. All right, so there's all my soft suede light. Then I'm actually going to grab some crumb cake. I know, totally random, but I'm going to make his belly crumb cake. Just so it's a different shade. And this is the dark crumb cake. I just want his tummy a little bit different color than his body. Go right up to Mr. Koala Bear there. Okay. Excuse me. And then I've got the, let's see, dark smoky slate, and we're going to color in our koala bear. And let's go ahead and just color him all in, not his nose. And then last but not least, I have the dark basic black. And we'll go ahead and color in his nose. And I'm going to give his ears and eyes just a little more dimension. There we go. And same with my Kangaroo. And we're going to color his nose black, his eyebrow. There we go. Or hers. I guess it could be a girl. All right. And that is my cute little Kangaroo. All right. And the Animal Outing has some dies with it. They're called, what do we call? These are called the Animal Friends dies. And I'm going to cut out the kangaroo. So I'm going to actually, the nice thing about our dies now is they work with any machine. But I still have, so any die cutting machine you have, I still have a Big Shot. So I'll show you. I'll go ahead and grab that out real quick. So I just put, I have, but you just layer it and there will be a tiny bit of white showing. Go ahead and layer your die and whatever your machine, do your plates however the machine, oops, I have this backwards. So sorry guys, you're gonna have to look at me while I run this through. Keep going. All right, and that's it. And I can put this back. Okay, and see, it's all cut out. So just go ahead and follow the instructions for the machine you have, and you should be able to use our dies with no problem. So this is what it looks like. Easy breezy, all right? And now we can put our card together. So let's go ahead and finish this guy up first. So I took the layering circles frame, the layering circles die. So they come in all different shapes of, no, not all different shapes. They come in all different sizes of circles and the scallop circle. So I use these two. One to cut out a piece of Whisper White. And then I use the next size up scallop in Mango Melody cardstock to cut out the scallop. And I'm going to just go ahead and stick this right on to the Mango Melody scallop. Okay. Then I'm going to stick some dimensionals on the back of my kangaroo and koala bear. 2, 3. Okay, let's see if that's enough. 1, 2, and 3. Sorry guys, I sneezed and now my nose is running. Okay, this guy's gonna go right there. Isn't he cute? All right, so now I have a piece of soft suede cardstock, and this here measures 3 3/4 by 1 1/4. And we're gonna go ahead and stamp on here. So I'm going to grab the stamp that said, "Together we make a great pair." Got that right here. So see how on the back of the, since I have the clear mount stamp set, you can't see anything on the back. I mean, I could choose to stick the sticker on, but they don't stick to the blocks well. Now with the new cling mount stamps, you will put the sticker on the back and then it will stick perfectly. I love them. I love the new cling mount so much. I'm thrilled that they have switched to those. So I'm going to go ahead and ink this up. And I'm going to just stamp that right here on this end. Let's see here. Perfect. Grab my chamois, clean that off. Okay, so for our card base, I have a piece of soft suede cardstock. It's cut at 4 1/4 by 11. So we're going to fold it over. Grab my bone folder here. Okay, our card will open this way. Then I have a piece of Mango Melody cardstock, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Let's see if I'm right. 4 by 5 1/4. Yep, I'm getting there, guys. Okay. Okay. And this is going to go right on the top. Doesn't the soft suede Mango Melody go so well together? Mango Melody is so nice and bright. All right, and then I have 2 pieces of Designer Series paper. This is from the Brights Designer Series paper pack. So you get all 10 of the Brights in 4 different designs. So this happens to be from the same design. There's another one also. So I cut this one. Actually, they should be this way. So this one here is cut at 4 by 3 3/4. And this piece here is cut at, should be the same, 3 3/4 by 2. Okay, so it goes this way. There we go. So see, they should be the same width. All right, so what we're going to do is stick our adhesive on the back here. Okay, what are we doing here? Oh my goodness, you guys, have you noticed I am struggling lately with my adhesive? Come on. There we go. Okay. And this is going to go on right like, oops, sorry, it goes this way. Right like so. And then this one Oh my goodness, what is happening here? I'm not sure what is going on with my adhesive, but I'll have to look at that in a second. And this is going to go, so it's going to overlap a bit. I did that on purpose just to make it a little easier, but I don't want it to be crooked like I just did. Let's see. This is gingham stripe, so I should be able to line it up perfectly. There we go. Like that. All right, next, this guy right here. And he's going to go right over the top of where the two went together. Like that. And then this guy is going to go right here. Let's see. I want the words still to show, so I got to go pretty high. There we go. And then finally, just to finish it off, it's kind of going to be hard to see on the camera, but I grabbed the heart epoxy droplets. So can you see these? They're hearts. So cute. Come on. And let me grab my little piercing tool here. And I want to grab one of the bigger hearts. Come on. There we go. And I'm going to stick it right here. So in person, you can totally see the heart, although I'm not sure it shows up as well on the camera. And that is my card. Together, we make a great pair. Isn't that cute? And here's one I did earlier. Very similar. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.